Hey guys, back at the doghouse today. Okay, after me having a little bit of fun with the burnout and blah blah blah, it's time to put the truck back together again. It'll be a slow process, but I'll probably just update you a little bit at a time or whatever. I don't want to make the videos long because they'll get boring. Because I know you guys bore me. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, sorry. Yeah, that just slipped out. I was thinking out loud. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to keep it short because I got to do a bit of body work as I put it together, and nobody likes doing body work. Nobody likes doing body work except Body Man, I guess. But anyway, I'll bring you along my little venture, and we'll put the old Fargo together. Have it going by spring. That's what I said last year, but I'm going to say it again this year. So hang tight, guys. We'll put her together. Grab a wrench or a beer. Well, here's my pile of parts. I've got inner fenders. I got the top of the hood. I got the grill. I got some other stuff there. Here's my rims. I got stuff there. I got stuff there. Oh yeah, I got stuff hanging from the ceiling over there too. So we'll get it all together, one piece at a time. I'm not going to bring it all out because I'll just end up tripping over it. So I got to get up my inner fenders. So I got to take out my, whatever you call it, my butterfly here. Here it comes. Holy crap, this is heavy. Remember back when I was 71, I could lift that no problem. Anyway. I'm gonna kill myself yet. I just have to clean these up a little bit. Spray them with my rust inhibitor. And put them on. But here's the inner fenders of the Fargo. They're in pretty good shape, but I want to stop all the surface rust I have here. So I'll just give it a quick spray, let it dry overnight. I'll come back out tomorrow. You can see here there's a patch I got to do. Well, two patches. I'm going to cut that one that's made out of solid gold. I mean bronze. Anyway, we'll patch those up, which will only take a couple of minutes. I got another one here I want to replace. I hate bronze. Anyway, this one here is really good. Really good inner fender. The truck itself is in fantastic shape. something like myself. But anyway, we'll give this here a little bit of a spray, and we'll put it together tomorrow.